How can I help you?
So I need life maxing advice.
Okay.
I'm 22. I'm just right now in the college in Israel. Now I'm doing like some. I was really into anime and stuff, so I was doing like a graphic design. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and you know what happened yesterday
Yes, AF,
with the AI, with the
OpenAI.
full all, as they
I
just
know.
dropped.
I know.
And
Let them
now
work,
I'm working with clients,
bro.
and
Ah, over.
okay, so I was making like 5, 6K a month, and buddy just took my fucking job. Like I don't know what to do, bro.
Okay. I'm so glad you brought this up. People don't know what happened yesterday. This is what I've been warning you guys. I've been warning people. Call me the fucking the whatever the guy. What have I been saying? AI is coming.
That's
Yesterday.
crazy. Like I'm still in year 2, bro, and I'm working with clients. But right now, like, what should I do, bro? It's in the details, bro. Like, what should I do?
Okay,
It's
calm
literally
down.
taking
Relax.
my job, bro.
Relax. Relax. So what happened yesterday was OpenAI released probably the best image generator in human history. It can pretty much do everything that fucking a graphic designer can do.
Into the finest details, Fit, in the
Yeah, I
finest
know.
details.
I
That's
know.
crazy.
Bro, I know. It's so if you have a graphic design degree, your life is over. If you're doing graphic design, it's over. It's
Have you
wild.
done it on yourself? The feat. Have you done it to
Huh?
yourself? Have you done it to yourself?
I haven't played around with it yet, but I've seen what it can do, and
If you
it's
do, because it will literally get you the details of the chain and the tank top. It's crazy, man.
anyway. So, like I keep telling you guys, this is the year. What I'm not. I keep telling you, this is the year that if you don't figure out something to make you above average, you're going to wake up and nothing is going. You're going to have nothing left. You guys can think I'm playing if y'all want to, but the next best thing you could do right now, bro, is to figure out. Shit, you might have to get. I don't even fuck, man. This shit's
I'm
crazy.
good.
No, you're not. Let's take a deep breath. Let's think. Okay, so you working with how many clients right now?
Like probably if it's mostly private clients, so probably like 6, 7 a month, which is
Mm-hmm.
pretty good. Like 5K a month, like it's pretty good. But I'm still studying.
Yeah.
But yesterday when it dropped, I was literally like, oh my god, like there's
So,
no
okay,
way
what you need to
this
do
dropped.
is you need to learn that shit front and back and figure out how you can inject your expertise to offer something more. So,
Hmm.
so you need to learn that tool so it can help you with your own graphic design skills, but you want to add some kind of personable like touch in terms of
Yeah,
consultations or like services that you can provide. Don't let it just wipe you out like that.
yeah. But what I seen yesterday, bro, even Elon Musk put it on Twitter, bro. There was literally meme coins of literally like Gilby stuff.
Yeah.
And this is just money, like people making millions out of this Gilby stuff. The fucking
Mm.
meme coins, you know what I'm saying? It's so crazy,
Yeah.
man. Like
I
you
mean,
can
that's
just make a Gilby coin and it
this is
just moons.
this is why you have to be ahead. This is not the year. I'm telling you, guys, this 2025 is the year that you got to put your head down and like don't fuck around. So
Yeah.
what I would do is I would try to learn the tool. Have you been practicing with it?
Yeah, of course. Bro, it's crazy. Like bro, like I saw so many guys launching some meme coins about just doing Gilby stuff, generating Gilby stuff, and it's literally moving to 12, 30 million market caps. People making money off of it, like
I
literally
know.
thousands of dollars.
So you got to learn it as fast as possible, and then you got to try to offer some kind of consulting services.
Mhm.
You got to get better at something quickly
Yeah, I
because
need to think quick. Like that. That's insane, man. That just
so this
shifted
is
my
the
whole
thing.
brain.
This is the thing, right? Most people are stupid.
Yeah,
Unfortunately.
that's
Fortunately
true.
and unfortunately, right? People don't even know what the fuck happened
I was
yesterday.
very
So,
complacent. I was in my land study. I literally didn't think this will drop. But like, this is crazy.
okay.
This stuff's
So
making me 2 hours to make.
I get you. So use it to make your life easier and then start figuring out what you can add,
To make it
right?
even more.
To
Yeah, I got you.
exactly to make it more personable and help the client get more out of their services that they're buying from you. So now don't look at it as a threat. Use that shit to make the projects that you have happen faster. And then you now are gonna add more stuff.
Yeah. Now, actually, like, bro, it's so crazy, like how the world shifts. As you said, I remember you saying a couple of times, "Hey, I will change this," but bro, the Gilby stuff. I'm telling you, this is next level. Like, this is really a shift in the space.
I know, I know. I mean, that's what
You
I
need to
would do,
try it on
bro.
yourself. I'm telling you, fit. It will literally get you even the tiniest details
I
when
bet.
you.
I bet. I know what's coming, bro. I've been saying it. You guys don't have to listen to me. You
I will
don't.
do one and I'll do one on you. It's
Okay.
literally get you all the yeah.
All right, man.
Okay, should I
appreciate
show you my physique and stuff or no? There's no need.
Do you want to see it? Do you want help with it?
I mean, yeah, probably like I'm just right now cutting, but I don't know if like I'm pretty imbalanced in my physique, you know.
Okay. Let's see the physique.
All right, I'm 6'3", so
Okay. All right. Your body looks pretty good, man. You're in great shape.
I have
Yeah.
some legs and stuff, but I still need to get down. Like, do you think I should like do a lean bulk?
No. Stay where you at. Right. Just keep trying to get.
Don't see the abs, you know.
You like, just add some cardio, and just be leaner.
I'm doing it like every day, like 30 minutes a day.
Okay.
Said, incline and stuff.
Okay. So just make sure your nutrition is on point. Okay.
Yeah. I just did I think my problem is we sometimes do when I do a bulking, I just eat a bit too much. Like I get to eat some junk food, you know. This won't hurt. Then I just eat like a surplus of like 1,000 calories a day, which is not good.
Don't worry. So just make sure that whatever you're eating is on point with your cardio. Keep trying to get stronger, and your body will look good. All right, man.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
All right, bro. Peace.